same color.
Hey guys, welcome back to a new video. And yeah, I know I haven't been live in my YouTube channel in a very long time, but now I am back. So I have many friends wanting to learn how to create games and do coding, and I love to create games and coding. I usually code in Roblox Studio and also in the Unity game engine. But for this series I am going to show you how to create an advanced Obby in Roblox Studio, and you will be following me step by step. So wait, just gotta check my, yep, it is recording. So you're gonna press new and you're gonna choose a new template, and we'll go with the basic one this time. So choose the basic base plate, and you will come in the workspace. So first of all, check on your left side if you have the toolbox, and if you don't, try switching these, and if you don't have none of these, go into view and press on toolbox and it will be visible. So delete the spawn point because we don't need that now. And so quick walkthrough, this is your explorer, everything is inside, like workspace, camera, the terrain, the base plate, and lighting is the lighting, everything. And we won't go through these right now because they are not very important. So select base plate and press delete because we won't need that. And this is your properties panel, and that's properties for the object we have selected. So now I selected the part, and let's just drag it up here. Yeah, and you can see the properties panel fill up with many useful things. So the first one is change the color of it, and yeah, color, material, and you can change the material to whatever you want. It depends on you, but I will stick on with the basic plastic. And this is the transparency and reflections, and yeah. And the one very important thing is, if you're making an obby and you want things to float in the air like this, so let me just give you an example. Just press scale and scale it so you can stand on it, and look down at the, it's important, just look down at the part and press this arrow and press play here. So now you're gonna spawn on that thing, and yeah, and they just completely fell down. What if you don't want it like that? There's a simple solution. You just press the part and you go down and check the anchor, so now it will float. So let's try it again. There you go, now it's not falling down, and that is a key for making obbies. So yeah, let's go into the build. So I just gonna make a simple lobby. So, and first of all, you can name this to whatever you want, but I'm gonna just gonna rename this to lobby ground, and go into workspace, and you're gonna see a plus sign pop up. Press the plus and press folder, and just rename this to lobby so you can have things organized, and just drag this lobby ground into lobby. So now you have everything organized. So now just start building. So I'm gonna leave it like this. You can add some decorations if you want to, like just duplicate it. Like if you want to duplicate it, press Ctrl and D at the same time, or Ctrl and D, and now you have duplicated it. So now you can just scale it and change the color, like let's have it in the middle, and change the color to, let's say, earth green, and just put it up a bit like that. So now you have two different different yeah, materials, not materials, colors. So yeah, and another part, in the lobby, you don't want players to just fall out of the map like this. Like if you want your game to have this, like nothing walls, stuff like that, but you don't want the players to fall down like this, you can just add walls. So let's quickly add a wall here, or you can just add a wall right here and just put it wherever you want and make sure it's anchored. And yep, it's anchored. So now you can just drag it down a bit like that and just scale it and duplicate it and just lay it in the other side of the map and just do it to all sides. Yeah. Just lay it and just duplicate the last one and like that. So now if you play it, you're gonna see these walls and that doesn't look very great. So just group these, so select this and select all of them by holding shift and press Ctrl and G, and now you duplicate it, grouped it, and now they are a single piece. So now rename this to borders, lobby borders, and select everything, and go down here, not down, transparency, and change the transparency to 1. And now they are gone, but in reality they're still there. So let's try it out. Yep. Now the players can't, but they may glitch out if you haven't fixed them right. So now it's working, and we won't be needing one border because how otherwise will the obby work. So just I want that one and delete that part. And yeah, so now we will be creating a shop GUI. Yeah, we can create a shop GUI. I will show you what that is. So a shop with GUI is a button on the screen, and when players press that button, the screen will appear with the shop and items you can buy. So first of all, you go into starter GUI. This is very important. Make sure you go in starter GUI, not in the other, and press plus and add in a screen GUI. And now nothing will appear in the screen, so that's good. And inside of the screen GUI, you're gonna add a frame, and you will see this thing. And so you can customize it however you want. But I'm gonna. Oh guys, sorry, I made a mistake. Inside the screen GUI or frame, you're gonna add a button, not a frame. No, you're gonna have a frame, but inside of that frame you're gonna add a button, text button. And I'm just gonna get rid of all of these and get rid of frame 2. Let's start over. I did a mistake. Inside of screen GUI, you're gonna add in a frame, and inside of that frame you're gonna add a text button. Or actually there's an easier way. Just add in a text button. Sorry for my mistakes. So now you're gonna customize this button. That's how you want it to be, and just go down to text section and choose the one you want, and make sure text is scaled, and change and customize however you like it. So let me just change the text to shop and just size it like that. So now if we play here, it's a clickable button, but as you can see it does nothing happens. Oops, well, that's the exit or entrance. So now we will be creating this. So you can go in here in Starter UI and rename this to Open Shop like that. So wait, I just gotta see if it's recording. Yes, and it's recording. So you're gonna go in here inside. I have a shop, and inside of the screen UI you can just rename this to shop. Inside of this shop, add in a frame and just drag it down like that. Just resize it. I'm just gonna leave it like this, but in the next part I will show you how to customize it and make it more better. And inside of this frame, add in a text button and just lay it right here and go down into the text and always have text scaled, and go inside here and just choose Frodo command, and I'm just gonna write a big X for this to go out. So rename this to close shop, right like that, and inside of this add in a script. No, local script. And now you're just gonna start programming your first line of code. And so first you're gonna write local player equal game dot players dot local player. Then jump down 2 lines and write script dot parent dot mouse 1 button click, then colon, connect 2 brackets, and inside of the brackets you're gonna write function and 2 brackets, and go right here and delete 1 bracket and just jump down a space. And now you're gonna write player dot player GUI dot your shop name. So whatever you write here, I'm gonna write down here shop, and dot frame dot visible equals to false, like that. So now we're not done yet, so you can if you get any errors, make sure you write it exactly like this, otherwise it's not gonna work. So you're gonna actually you can just copy this. Oh no, you're not gonna need. Oh, how did that come there? So actually you're not gonna need this. I need to check if it is really functioning. Yeah. So now I'm gonna Control C like that, Control copy it, and go into Open Shop, add in a local script, and delete this hello world and paste Control V. And you're gonna, instead of false, you're gonna write true. So now if we test it out, and before that select frame and go down to visible equals to false. So now if we try it out, so now if you press shop, this appears, and if you press X, it disappears. So that works. Wait, So that's the end of this video, and we will be making this better. So in the next episode we will add items that you can buy with Robux. So yeah, so leave a like and subscribe, and see you guys next time. Bye.